Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with Christmas Lights Community, ChristmasLightsTraining.com. So I wanted to show you today what happens and how we want to keep this from happening of stake lighting along a driveway. Um, but before I get into that, please go down and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000. Before Christmas, and I appreciate it. So we have stake lighting here along the driveway, and what we want to do is these is our guys, and I told them, but they don't listen, and you tell them, and so what you want to do here is don't put them so close to the driveway. Pull them off, 3-4 inches, maybe 6 inches. You could be right here, and that way when people are pulling into a driveway, they don't accidentally bump into them and break them off. We had a couple over there broke off, I had to replace. Number two thing is don't stake them. So they make two different types of stakes. These are 6 inches, and then they have 12 inches. I like the 6 inches, but don't push them so far down in the ground. I had to come out here because it was tripping the breaker, and don't be pushing them all the way into the mud, because then the water has nowhere to go but in that socket. Pick them up and let them stay up, a little bit off the ground. That way the water can actually get underneath of them and not short them out. And I'll show you here, they did all right, but I'm going to show you over here, they pushed them all the way into the ground, and what that's going to do is, especially where it is, we get rain, it's going to puddle right in there, and they're pushed all the way down into the ground. And so we want them up a little bit. Don't push them all the way down. I hope that helps you out. If you would like to learn how to put Christmas lights on a house, please check out this video right here. If you would like to learn how to make your own extension cords, check out this video here. Thank you and have a great day, and hope you a Merry Christmas.